Here's your upcoming events. This shows you kind of what is going on in your wellness program. For example, if there's any on-site fitness classes, any lunch and learns, any on-site events, you would go here. To look at your event calendar, there's two ways. You can either click on an actual event and see your full calendar here, or I'm going back to the dashboard. You can go right here to the left-hand side, click Programs, and click Events, and this will take you to the same calendar as well. So this shows you everything in a sense of your calendar and what's coming up for the day. You would click here, and this will show you exactly the details of each event. So the name, the amount of points you earn if you actually go to the event, the dates it's going to be held, where it's going to be held, and then who's leading it and how to register. But we'll go more into detail about that later. So right back to the dashboard. Again, you go to this little meter up here on the top left-hand corner. And let's scroll down here. Right here would be where your challenges are. Any active challenges that will be going on throughout the year will be set here. This is your news feed. This is kind of seeing what your peers are doing. So, for example, Chad just earned a 5,000 step badge. That means he walked 5,000 steps that day. And you can go down, you can like it. Right here is your reward summary. This shows how many points you've earned so far and how much money you've earned, and you can redeem it from here. And then this is the amount of steps that I've actually walked so far, and then this shows the amount of steps that all of your peers have been doing at your location, because say for example a company has multiple locations, you'll be broken up by location, and then this is your company-wide top leaders of steps. Down here is your coaching team. You can ask a question or even book an appointment with your coaching team. See, for example, you have a question for Alyssa and you can't get to her that day, or you can't reach her. You can just send her a message through here and ask a question, and she can respond back to you. Now back to the dashboard. Right down here is your activities that we would like you to do: your annual physical, your blood drive, living lean, living free, living smart, which I can explain a little bit later, and then your annual biometrics, if you have, if you're able to do a colonoscopy, a vision a mammogram, your flu vaccine. This kind of shows all the points you would earn and by what date you need to enter them in. Now here are some recommended courses down here. These are your online courses. So to sign up for these courses, they're on different health topics like living lean, living smart, and living easy. Living lean is about weight loss and nutrition. Living smart is a alcohol control program, and living easy is a stress and resiliency program. So to sign up for these recommended courses, you'd sign up here, and then you would start now. This would take you through your course. You would accept. And this shows you they have different videos, your different courses. You can also do one for quitting smoking, losing weight, regaining control over alcohol, how to learn to love exercise, reduce stress, and manage your diabetes. You'll see this all here. So for example, let's do living free. There's 12 sessions and it takes 3.5 weeks. Right down here, you'll see kind of how long it takes each one of these courses. And you actually earn points if you complete these courses. So this is your online course page. And then right here is a health tip. For example, today we learned about figs. This changes every single day. This right here is where you have your badges. So if you earned a certain amount of points, Your badges will be here, and this is the lifetime achievement. So this is kind of your top days.